Okay, ready.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel The Truth and Six. At the end of this video, I will tell you why I placed this name in the naming of my channel. Now let's start the special topic of this video. The special topic is that the truth about everything in the universe, including universe itself. Now tell me, from the childhood, if you are interested in science, one question would have definitely come in your mind, and the question is where we are, what we are, what is everything made of. I make this question simple. The question is that the things that we see, feel and hear, what are those, and what is everything made of? Ever, but there is no right answer of this question still, which satisfies most. To answer this question, many started in search of the root of everything. By the question, what is everything made of? They found that everything made of particles. They named their particles as electron, proton and neutron. What are particles? Particles is the smallest thing is called particles. Particle is the smallest things. Now they searched of what electron, proton and neutron made of. They succeed in search of what proton and neutron made of. They found that proton and neutron made of quarks. What are quarks? Quarks are a smaller particle than electron, proton and neutron. Now about electron. They shared that electron is made of something smaller than electron, but they couldn't discover. After that, one more question would come in your mind. What are quarks made of? And if quarks are made of something, then what is that something made of? It is like the series. It is like a series. After thinking that, your mind goes to mad. But it is not too difficult to understand. If you try, you will get the right answer. Now let's see at the board. Let it electron. This, suppose it, this is proton, and this is neutron. Just suppose, if electron made of something and proton made of something, that something is here. Here is quarks. Now tell me, what that something made of? What are quarks made of? What are quarks made of? And if that something made of something, and something, then what that something made of? And what that something made of? And what that something of? And if that something made of something, then what that something made of? And what that something made of? What is that something made of? It is just like the never ending series. You think that this is infinite series, but you are wrong. Yes, you are wrong. There will come an end, and after that you will get nothing. Yes, there will come an end, and there will come an end, and after that you will get nothing. Now tell me, if everything is made of something, then why do you get nothing at the end? It can only occurs. It can only occurs when when the real form of everything in the universe and universe itself is nothing. When the real form of everything in the universe and universe itself is nothing. Now tell me, what is nothing? What is nothing? You can define nothing in two ways. I will define it. Nothing. There are two definitions of nothing. First definition is the world or place. The world or place where does not exist anything. Where does not exist anything. And the second definition is that the world or place of non-existent things. Now you will ask me, what is non-existent things? The things that don't exist in reality is called non-existent things. Yes, but in reality both definition of nothing is same. I will prove. In reality both definition are same. Yes, both definition are same. You can choose any one definition which you like. For our understanding, I choose second definition. The world or place of non-existent things. The world or place of non-existent things. Non-existent things. I told you earlier that the real form of everything in the universe and universe itself is nothing. And by the definition of nothing, by the second definition of nothing, you can say that everything in the universe and universe itself are non-existent things. Yes, you can say. And by the definition of non-existent things, the definition is that the things that don't exist in reality is called non-existent things. So by that definition, you can say this in another form. Another form, you can say it as everything in the universe and universe itself doesn't exist in reality. Here, I told you earlier that everything, the real form of everything in the universe and universe itself is nothing. Here the first one, the second one, and the third one. In reality, three of them is same. Three of them are same thing. Three of them are same. Yes, they have same meaning. Yes, in reality. Now, what about us? What we are? I will tell you. We are non-existent. We are non-existent elements in the world of non-existent things. In the world of non-existent things. In reality, you can say it in another form. Non-existent elements and non-existent things. You can say it as imaginary elements and is as imaginary things. Means imaginary is also non-existent thing. Yes, the things that don't exist is imaginary things. Yes, the elements that don't exist is imaginary elements. Yes, both are same. Both word have same meaning. Yes, so you can say it like this. We are imaginary elements in the word of we are imaginary elements in the word or place of in the word or place of in the word is good. In the word of imaginary things. Yes. Now I will prove why both definition of nothing are same. Yes. Tell me why everything destroy. You can tell me. I will tell you. I want to tell you that everything does not destruct in reality. Yes, because I told you earlier that everything in the universe and universe itself does not exist in reality. Means anything does not exist in reality means if anything does not exist in reality, then how can anything destruct? I told you earlier that the real form of everything in the universe and universe itself is nothing. You can say it in another form. I done it before in the board. You can say this as everything in the universe and universe itself are non-existent things. You can say it another form. Everything in the universe and universe itself does not exist. So what is the first definition of nothing? The first definition of nothing is the world or place where doesn't exist anything. Means what? It tells that everything in the universe and universe itself does not exist, means anything does not exist in reality. So this is the definition of nothing. So the definition of nothing, by the second definition I took it to the first definition. So both are same, both definitions are same in reality. Now yes, we are non-existent elements in the world of non-existent things, or you can say another form, we are imaginary elements in the world of imaginary things. The real form of us is nothing. You want to see? Just close off your eyes and don't think about anything. You will see darkness, but that is your real form. That is your real form. That is nothing. Yes. Non-existent elements can be many types. Yes, there can possibilities of the world of different non-existent elements. Yes, this world of non-existent elements can be many times or can be different. Yes. Now I want to tell you one more thing about Big Bang, which is considered as the beginning of our world. I want to tell you that Big Bang is never happened. Big Bang never happened. Yes, in reality, because I told you earlier that everything in the universe and universe itself does not exist. Means anything does not exist. And if anything does not exist, then how anything can happen? Then how this event can happen? How this event can happen? And now if you want to describe the world of non-existent elements, you have to let some basic things. You can describe the world of non-existent elements in many ways, but it should work. The man who discovered electron, proton and neutron, they let these particles as basic things. Yes, if you want to describe anything in this world of non-existent things, you have to let some basic things. Yes, because in reality the real form of everything is nothing. Everything does not exist in reality, and means anything does not exist in reality. Now you will ask me what reality I am telling to you. The reality that you know, it is not the right one. In the next video I will tell you about the reality. Yes, for now, bye bye.